Hello, car lovers. This time we are going to discuss a new car that you may have been waiting for a long time, or maybe even one of your dream cars. So, without further ado, let's see what's new about this car. Styling-wise, the SUV looks young and sporty with a V-motion front grille and boomerang-shaped LED headlamps integrated with LED daytime running lights. Other exterior highlights include auto-folding wing mirrors, LED taillights, and 17-inch alloys. The cabin is expected to come equipped with a D-cut steering wheel, a 7-inch TFT digital meter cluster, an 8-inch infotainment unit supporting Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, zero-gravity seats, and an e-pedal step. As for safety, we can expect 7 airbags, cruise control, a round view monitor, driver attention alert system, traction control system, and more. The Kicks e-Power is powered by Nissan's innovative e-Power technology, a series hybrid setup that combines a 1.2-liter DOHC 12-valve 3-cylinder petrol engine with an electric motor. Unlike conventional hybrid setups, the engine generates electricity, and the electric motor powers the wheels. Nissan says it can consistently boost fuel efficiency and reduce emissions by keeping the engine's thermal efficiency high. Thus, this unique setup offers the advantages of an EV without the need for external charging, making it an attractive option for eco-conscious buyers. e-Power is a 100% electric motor-driven system that gives you high-performance electric vehicle-like driving experience. It uses an electric motor to power the wheels and has a gasoline engine that acts as a power generator to charge the battery of the electric motor when needed. If we talk about the power numbers, the SUV's front-mounted electric motor delivers a maximum power of 129 PS and a peak torque of 280 Nm. The motor is fed by a 2.1 kilowatt-hour battery pack positioned under the front seats. The 4 selectable driving modes are EV, Normal, Sport, and Eco. In terms of dimensions, the Kicks e-Power measures 4,290 millimeters in length, 1,760 millimeters in width, and 1,610 millimeters in height and spans a 2,615 millimeter wheelbase. The ground clearance and minimum turning radius are 182 millimeters and 5.10 millimeters, respectively.